Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do color grading like in the After Effects for your edits in CapCut. So here you just need to add your clips and then go to adjust. Now follow this setting. So for the brightness, increase it to 30. And then contrast, click on the saturation and lower it to -20, exposure -15. Now click on sharpen and increase it to 100. Now click on the adjust cell. On the red color, set the saturations to 100. Now on the purple, set the hue to 100 and the saturations 24 and luminance 40. Okay, go back and now use these grabs for the white, red and also blue color. Okay, now on the blue one, use this curve. Okay, you can just go back and click on the highlight, lower it to -20, shadow -10, temperature -10, and then the hue -5. Then add some vignette effect around 15. Okay, like this. And now click on a check icon. Now go to filter, find the orange blue filter, this one, and set it to around 40. Then you are done with the coloring. So this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.